In this video I'm going to show you how you can disable parental controls on Fortnite Nintendo Switch. First, press on the plus button in the top right corner here. Scroll down to the settings icon, this one. Scroll to the right, then select here parental controls, press A. Then you need to know the pin to disable the parental controls, so enter the pin. And now we are in the parental controls. To disable it, as you see here, it says to disable we need to click on the R. The R is this one, this button here. This is the R. So if we click on this, you see, are you sure you want to disable parental controls? Select A. And that's it, guys. That's how you can disable the parental controls. I hope this video was helpful, and then I want to thank you for watching and see you in the next video.